Doing a brine ferment. I'm about to chop up the last of the peppers. And so 400 grams, 300, 300, and 300 is 1,400 grams, 2.5% brine, or salt, I'm sorry, 2.5% salt. Not a brine ferment. This is going to be a mash. It's 37 grams of salt for 2.5%. And I couldn't weigh them all out. So I have to weigh them out like in quarters to fit everything good. And so I'm gonna get the last mash here, but when I do this, I'm gonna actually also add the salt. 37 grams, let me weigh that out. All right, before I do that, I just wanna say that I did clean this out with pure vinegar. This was cleaned out with pure vinegar before I started because the pH is like a 2 or whatever. So anyways, I'm just using some just normal Kirkland from Costco, salt, some sea salt, and then I'm gonna turn this on. Then zero it out. And then we need 37 grams roughly. Doesn't have to be exact. Oh, that's exact. Make sure it stayed, it did. Okay, 37 grams. So let's add that to the top. It's good there. And blend. All right, it's blending. Should be good about now, so I'm turning it off. So this is what it looks like now. And I'm adding it to this half-gallon mason jar, which I also cleaned out with vinegar as well. All right, so there's more headspace on this thing, and I got to clean it all off before I finish this. But then I would like it to be at least up to like here or so. So I'm gonna go grab some more peppers. I'm gonna need maybe another 300 grams. So a heaping bowl of this worth. I'm gonna go out to the garden. I got some super hots. I didn't want to add those. I have more Aleppo too, so I'll probably bring those. Now, just to let you know about the peppers on this, there are BRMX yellow and red, which is a citrusy, like kind of pepper, fruity. And then I have some black habaneros, which is the more rich, earthy peppers. And then I have some Urfa Bibers, which are more kind of fruity, rich, earthy tasting. And then I have Aleppo in here already, but not very many. So I'm gonna go add more Aleppo. I have some Chad Zaleski chocolate bootlas. And then I think that's it. I might have a couple more Aleppo out there, so I'll go grab those now. All right, this might get me close enough. If you also if you want to see the pods that I grabbed for most of these, I did do a YouTube short yesterday. And so there's 411 grams. None of them were rotten, so 411 grams. So I got to do the math on the salt. I'm gonna keep it simple and just do 2.5 grams per 100, so 10 grams. Oops. 11, that's fine. All right, so that's what you need to fill a half-gallon mason jar. 411, 429, 339, 330, 375, 316 total, plus the salt, to fill this with a good amount of headspace. I did clean the inside of that out with vinegar just now, so it should be good. I'm gonna cap this off with, give me a sec. All right, so capping it off with this, it is not good for long-term ferments, as I've recently been told, because I have all my ferments like this. Normally they're brine though, and there's a weight, and it's submerging most of the stuff below the water line. Here there is kind of no water line, so you want it to be airtight. Having the ones with the double bubble is better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna leave it like this for a couple weeks or even a month, and then soon enough I'll when I go and inspect it, open it up, inspect it, I'll swap it out. It's probably gonna be a longer term ferment. You have the pepper varieties, and you can again look at the YouTube short for the just to see the tray full of peppers that I use for this if you'd like. Let's see here. Let me know what you think I should use this for, because I got here. Let me show you. This is the fridge. I still have 1, 2, 3, 6. So I got 3 gallons worth going right now. Oh, it smells so good in here. Started on 9.6. That one's also 9.6. 8.1. Looking decent still. Maintaining its color. But anyways, let me know what you want me to do with this, or what you think I should do, because I'm running out of, man, I hope this thing doesn't break. It's a lot of weight on this little rack here. And I have my pawpaw seeds. I haven't really built anything to put these in yet. To air prune the roots. But yeah, let me know, because I got quite a few ferments, and some are ready to roll. Like this one, 8.1, is ready to go now. There's some in the back that are older as well that are ready to go. I just need to process them somehow. Maybe even dehydrate them into a powder, like a fermented powder. That's really good too. So I got a lot of sauce, so maybe I'll do that. But yeah, let me know what you think I should use these for. BRMX, this is a pure yellow, super citrusy. I have more of a rich one. This is kind of like in the middle, rich and citrusy, because I'm using multiple peppers. And kind of the same on all those. Like some I'll have like pure Urfa Biber back here, and Aleppo, which are very, very rich, earthy, a little bit fruity. But yeah, quite a few to process over the winter. Yeah, so let me know in the comments, but thank you for watching, and let others know, because I do try to make this channel more than just like growing peppers or more than just fermenting, but just a little bit here and there, getting back those lost skills that the suburbs gladly replaced for grass, lawns, and trinkets. But 65 degrees Fahrenheit, normally you want your ferments to be between 60 and 70 degrees. 78, I think, being the perfect temperature, but I do have mine a little lower. I can set it. Let's see here. I don't know if it goes higher than that. It does. So yeah, having these digital little fridges are really, really helpful, because then you don't gotta bolt on, excuse me, aftermarket parts to maintain, because you know the fridge want to keep it at like 38 degrees or so. Thanks for watching.